Hi, I'm Jeff Pirro, Application Specialist for CAT Command. What we're going to show you and demonstrate is the ability to switch between machines using the command station. Not just machines, but machine families. So we're going to switch from the 340, which Carter's currently running. He's digging a trench right here. Once he parks the machine, he's going to get it to a safe position. So same rules apply, put the machine in a safe place. So what he's going to do is on the screen, he's going to click on the D5, and you'll be able to see how quickly it switches over. So the camera view will come in first, then the screen will come up, and that machine's sitting there. We had previously started this, so if the machine was off, we'd go through the startup sequence, but the machine, he left it running. So now what he's going to do is he's going to go ahead and backfill. So really start looking at that in a matter of 10 seconds, he switched between machine families, again, makes the machine's utilization, and it also makes it more versatile. To learn more about CAT Command or any of our other technology offerings, contact your local CAT